Hello, my name is Lindsay Shepard. I'm the head softball coach at Reinhardt University, and I'm here to discuss the tragic passing of one of our players, freshman Jada Martin. Okay, so I'm going to open up to questions. The first question is, Coach Shepard, are you aware of any underlying health conditions that Jada Martin had? And no, I was not aware of any underlying health conditions that she had. The second question is, did Jada Martin have a physical this year prior to the start of the preseason conditioning? If so, what did the physical entail? Yes, Jada had a physical prior to the start of preseason conditioning, and she was cleared for all physical activities without any restrictions. Can you describe what type of conditioning activities were taking place prior to Jada's collapse? During the practice that Jada collapsed on August 28th, 2019, we were doing sprint, jog, walk intervals on the hiking trails on our campus. When she collapsed, we called for help, but this is something we do often, the jog, sprint, walk intervals. So, next question. How has the team responded to the news of Jada's passing? My players are all in shock. They were heartbroken when they heard the news that she had passed. We're all planning to have a memorial service for her on the softball field on August 31st. The team will be sharing memories they shared with Jada. Jada was loved by many and she will be missed by many. The last question I have is, what is being done to ensure that all players' health and safety is the number one priority of your team? My number one priority as a coach is and always will be the health and safety of my players. And to ensure that the health and safety of my players is upheld, my initial team meeting before every season we will be discussing the importance of health and safety. If anyone on the team has any underlying health conditions at all, no matter how small they may seem, they will need to see me prior to any physical activity. Thank you so much.